Afternoon guys, welcome back to another Advancing Car video. Today I've been working on this 2019 Mini Cooper with, I think it's got the works trim level on it. It's a pretty cool little car, British Racing Green, nice and tight when you drive it. It's, yeah, it's good fun. Been fitting a aftermarket reversing camera, but it has the kind of factory feel to it, very similar to the BMWs and things like that. So it has very similar guidelines, and the parking sensors come up very similarly as the blocks, as you will have seen in the BMW videos we've done before. So let's go over the camera and then we'll jump in and show you it all working. So as with the all the BMW installs and stuff we do, we use the same little matte black camera. It's a real nice little camera, fits really nicely and looks nice and discreet, and also is fitted in the factory position on the grab bar where the camera would go, because it's even on the little kind of blank cutout bit. So it's all on there, all sealed up, and works a treat. Gives you a nice view and gives you the same view that the factory camera will give you. So let's jump in and show it all working. Right, so in here we've got the ID6 6.5 inch touchscreen. So you've got the 6.5 inch touchscreen just here, and then the ID6 relates to the iDrive system you've got down here, and that's to do with which buttons are in the top section of it. But yes, that's what this one is. So we'll put it into reverse, and then you'll see that it's just got the standard BMW view, basically, because it is a mini BMW. So we'll just do that. We're in reverse. We've got the moving guidelines that have the red lines are the maximum that the guidelines can move, so it just gives you an idea. And then, as with the BMWs that you will have seen on other videos probably, the blocks that move are then your parking sensors. As soon as you pop it into drive, the factory rear sensors come on with your kind of sweeping lines of parking sensors. And that's about it really, just switches over nice and quickly. It's nice and clear, good wide image, so you can really see, you can see right pretty far over, to be fair. So if you're backing out of a driveway with walls or something, you get a really good view. And that's about it really, just works exactly like a BMW. So that's it for one of these. You've got to just turn the engine off. So this is a 2019 Mini. If you've got a car like this, get in contact with us. And also, if you could, subscribe to YouTube, like us on Facebook and everything, follow everything we do, check out some more videos, and yeah, hopefully hear from you in the future. Cheers for watching.